What's up, traders? Welcome to my stream. Today is actually Tuesday, and we actually have a small cap trading challenge. Since I'm actually pretty sick, I'm actually have some hauls right here, for my cough. Anyway, I've been trading with a 3K account yesterday and today. Today I was able to make around $1,900 just trading a very small account in this crazy market opportunity. I'm gonna go through my trades. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a lot of money with $3,000. I think my account is up 60% on the day, just trading with a $3,000 account in three stocks. I have 100% accuracy as of today. That doesn't mean tomorrow. So because I'm sick, I'm sizing down to C size, and right now we're in a really crazy market. So I'm gonna talk all about my setups for educational purposes only, as usual. So we're gonna make a nice intro here, educational purposes only as usual. So you can see this morning, that's kind of like my P&L going on today. Traded 3 tickers. Actually, as you can see, the most important ticker today was actually CWD. CWD, the only actual CWD came out of the freaking blue over here and pushed up. Anyway, the news on this ticker, the company announced initial purchase of Chainlink tokens as a digital, so something about crypto. Sure enough, I take it long around 8 and then I sell it at 11. So I actually made $2 a share, around 600 bucks. My initial long, if I were going to look at all my orders, hold on, I'll show you all my orders that are going on here. As you can see here, this is all my fills and orders here. So you can see that I'm primarily trading with a 3,000 bucks account. You can see Yoel, I buy 500, 480, but we're not talking about, we'll talk about CWD. So I buy CWD at 750, 760, right here, 870, out at 1071. This is my first trade. You can see in this trade over here, I made around 600 bucks. That's kind of like right here. And I actually didn't touch it at all afterwards. I saw it break 52-week high of 15, and I was like, holy crap, that cannot be possible. Soon enough, the stock broke 15 and actually gave another opportunity over here at 25. So we ran all the way up to 50 and then pretty much sold off. This is actually a sympathy play of the ticker that ran yesterday midday. No, I don't think it was it hour. I don't know if it was hour or not. This is actually it was the other ticker. I forgot what ticker it was because there was a ticker that went through to $80 yesterday. Anyway, so my first trade in CWD was over here, and I left a lot of money on the table. My next trade was DSY. No, that was not it. CWD DSY. My next trade was Bond. Where did I make money in Bond? I didn't make any money in Bond. That was a flat trade. Yoel. So Yoel is actually a different animal to talk about. In small cap land, when stocks are hot, there's stocks with really big floats. This float was around 60 million. So what they do is they take a stock up from, I don't know, $2 up to 8. And they buy everybody. They buy everybody shorts, and then they pretty much issue a margin call. And after they reach the margin call, the stock dumps. This is what they did here. So I call this pattern big floats, short squeeze, and drop. Well, I think that's what I kind of called it. I called it big short squeeze, big float, short squeeze, and drop. So initially I bought it at 485 and sold it at 555. That was Yoel. And actually this ticker went all the way to $8. So that really surprised me, like how much money I'm actually leaving on the table trading this ticker. And after that, I didn't really touch it at all because it became choppy, but I could have taken a short. This ticker had news, but the flow is like 60 million. So it goes from like $2 up to 8 and then straight back down. Left a ton of money on the table. Same in CWD. Left a ton of money on the table. I could have bought it multiple times at 15, at 25. Went to 55. Outrageous. The ticker that I did make around $900 was DSY. DSY was a Tuesday short. So what I was looking for, what I was looking for in a day too short, I was looking for a ticker up. DSY was up 500%. The outstanding was like 60 million, and there was no news on it. So once a ticker has so much outstanding, it's probably going to just liquidate. Especially today, we had like 5 or 6 gappers over 100%. So it's not like sustainable it's not sustainable for the tickers to keep going up. Yesterday we had a ticker go up 3,000%. So in this situation, what I did was I pretty much took it short at 750. Actually in the morning it spiked up to 40. Took it short around 750 and I cover around 5. Now we're at 4s. So on the backside move, I made around, I don't know, if I could have made a little bit more, because shorting it at 750, covering at 4, I could have made around $4 a share, but I actually made $3 a share. $3 a share is not bad. Shorting DSY right here, 400 at 750, covering 400 at 500 at $5. This put me up like $900 on a 400 share position. You can see that I'm using only like a $3,000 account. Like I'm not using a lot of size. It's not like I'm using a lot of size. Like I mean, I'm not using a lot of money. Like most you're the thing you don't have is skill. I have a lot of skill. You don't know, you can't recognize that ticker from this ticker with that ticker. You don't have the what is it called? The experience. Like I've been sitting here. So we got 3 out of 3 green trades. Sadly, I'm still suffering from a flu. So that's the reason I'm doing this challenge. I think I'm doing it all week. But soon enough, I profited pretty good. $3,000 account. 900 plus 600 plus another 300. We're moving around the 1,800 profit. 1,800 profit. So I'm very happy. It's almost like a 50% profit on trading all these tickers. Anyway, that's about it. See you all in my next video. Peace out, and see you. And pretty crazy as volatility. Did you see DSY? Hold on, let me show you DSY. Let me show you CWD. CWD went from $3 to 55 in the pre-market, and Youl, was it Youl? Youl went from like $2 to $8, and then DSY shorting it from like 7 went down to 4. Lots of opportunity today, lots of trades. But since I'm actually not trading, I already made all my trades are green, and right now I don't have a plan. So that's it for today. See you all tomorrow. 3 trades, 3 tickers, 100% accuracy. I'm very happy with that. Peace out.